everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a gorgeous 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air. Killer car, guys. Love the color combination. This is Neptune green, and then it's got an India Ivory top. Now, from the factory, it was Neptune green, but it had a different color green top on it. Tinted glass, gorgeous car, guys. Now, this car, actually, the body, paint, interior were actually done almost 20 years ago. It's oxidized primer. It was a frame off restoration 20 years ago. Body, paint, interior done. Just recently, within the last couple of years, matter of fact, it only has 250 miles on it. The drivetrain and suspension were completely upgraded. This was a bone stock Nomad, and they've made it into a Restomod. It's got a Scroggins Dickey 350 GM Performance motor in it, monster 700 R4 transmission. It's got a complete Ridetech StreetGRIP suspension on it, which is awesome. It drives out excellent, guys. And it's got front and rear. It's a complete Ridetech kit. You can nitpick the paint and stuff because, like I say, it is a few years old. Still very nice. Don't think it needs a paint job or anything. But, you know, there definitely are some blemishes that you can pick. You know, little things that you can nitpick on the car. But still, very nice. I mean, turn the key, take it right to a car show. I didn't take it far. I took it about a mile down the road, but Dale, who works for me, who has one of these, jumped in and drove it, and he just come back just raving about how it drove, and he has one of these. But great car. Love the color combination. Again, this is Neptune green and India Ivory, and then it's got the matching interior in it. Beautiful car. Tinted glass. Easy eye glass is what they called it. Nice car. Like I say, you can see some little blemishes in the car. I don't want to just nitpick it to death, but like I say, we sell 90% of these things sight unseen other than the video, so I try to show you everything that I can see. But nice, like I say, really good car, but you can pick some of the paint. Again, I don't think you're painting this car. It's oxidized primer. You'd have to be really nitpicky if you're looking for something to drive, because this car is nice. Brand new rubber all the way around it, 18 and 20 inch Billet Specialty wheels. It's got a complete custom stainless Magnaflow exhaust system on it. Killer car. It's been upgraded to Wilwood 4-wheel disc brakes. Air blows cold. You can see they painted the motor to match. And again, that's a GM Performance Scroggins Dickey engine. I think it's 357 horse at the rear tire. You can see how they've done the valve covers, which is really nice. They've upgraded the power steering. It's got all tubular front. Like I say, it's got the complete Ridetech kit on it with tubular control arms. Wilwood 4-wheel disc brakes, vintage air, aluminum radiator with electric fans. Again, it is a monster 700 R4 automatic overdrive transmission. Oh, it's got a really nice set of Hooker performance exhaust manifolds on it. Good looking car. Now this is actually the original paint. In the jams is actually the original paint to this car. A-pillar chrome is really nice. Door handles are nice. And again, that's actually the original paint, guys. So that's the original color. Seats have been all redone. I think that's a Flaming River steering column in it. Headliner looks great. It's got the Dakota upgraded dash in it. Bluetooth radio. They've put all new blower motor and everything in it. It's got the vintage controls. It's got some billet pedals in it. Again, I think it's at 249 miles right now. A little bit of a gear, but nothing crazy in it. Look at that. You see how clean this car was. So they started with a nice car. Oops. Again, it's all oxidized primer floorboards. Good car. And like I say, it really hits the road good. It's got the correct Daytona carpet in it. Always fires just like that. I mean, just fires right up. Again, air blows cold. Nathan just kicked it on. A little bit of a cam to it. Nothing crazy though. It's got some horsepower, but it's definitely something to cruise. Again, the choke works. Again, air blows ice cold. Car's out of Arizona. Good sounding dual exhaust. Again, it's got the upgraded dash. I love those. Really cool. It's even got the overdrive selector in it. All that works. Good sound. That's a nice car. Somebody's getting a great car right there. You're gonna have a blast with that thing. Radio works, blower motor works. Yeah, and everything opens and closes nice. I think it's got electric wipers on it. I think it's got. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking a little button there. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. God, that car's gorgeous. Love the color combo.